Write mixed numbers and improper fractions. Four and 7 by 10. This means that you have 4 full pieces, let's say of roti, and 7 pieces of size 1 by 10. If you were to break these 4 rotis also into 10 pieces each, then you will have 4 into 10 pieces of size 1 by 10, and you have already 7 pieces of size 1 by 10. So you have 40 pieces of size 1 by 10 plus 7 pieces of size 1 by 10. Therefore, you have 47 pieces of size 1 by 10. This 47 by 10 is called improper fraction. Improper fraction, which is equivalent to mixed number 4 and 7 by 10. Write 69 by 8 as mixed number. So you have 69 pieces of size 1 by 8. If you were to convert them into full rotis, you will be able to join 64 pieces of size 1 by 8 in 8 rotis, and you will still have 5 pieces of size 1 by 8 which cannot be joined into full rotis. So you will have 8 plus 5 by 8, or it is written as 8 and 5 by 8. Eight, 5 by 8. Write a 5 and 7 by 8 as improper fraction. I have explained to you the logic of how mixed numbers are converted in improper fractions. Now I am going to show you a easy to remember technique. What you do is start from the bottom, the denominator, and go up to 5, and this will be a multiplication. 8 into 5 is a multiplication, and then go from 5 to 7. This will be an addition. So this will be equal to 8 into 5 plus 7 divided by 8. that is 8 5s are 40 plus 7, 47 divide by 8. In fact, you can perform this entire operation orally, as I will show you later. Write 47 by 10 as mixed number. I have explained to you how improper fraction is converted into mixed number. Now I will just show you the easy to remember technique. 47 divide by 10. 10 fours are 40 and remainder is 7. So 47 by 10 is equal to, first we write the quotient, that is the number of full pieces we get, and then we write the remainder and the size of the piece, which is the denominator. So this 10 comes here. Whatever we get quotient, that comes before the fraction as integer, and whatever is the remainder, that becomes the numerator. Four, 7, 10. Right. Now I will just show you how to do it quickly. 4 6s are 24 plus 3, 27. That comes on top, and the bottom remains the same, 27 by 4. Thirteen by 3 as mixed number. 13 divide by 3. 3 fours are 12. 1. Therefore 13 by 3 equal to 4 and 1 by 3. This I will do directly here. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3.